Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. I am Surbhi Mahajan and you are watching Diary Times. Let's start with today's headlines. 24 lakh Manrega laborers to get increment in daily wages in Himachal from 1st April. 24 Manrega laborers of Himachal will get 5 and 6 rupees increment in per day wage from 1st April. Manrega daily wage has been increased by 5 rupees in non-tribal areas of the state and 6 rupees in the tribal areas. The notification to increase the wages of Manrega workers has been published in the Central Government Gazette. Weather change, snowfall in Lahore Atal Tunnel movement closed. The life of Lahore Valley has been disturbed by the snowfall. Atal Tunnel Rohtang is closed for the movement of tourists. Koksar Sisu has received fresh snowfall with both ends of the tunnel going on since Sunday night. Fresh snowfall is reported to be 50 cm in Rohtang Pass, 25 in Koksar, 15 cm around Atal Tunnel, 10 cm in Solang Nala and Jalori Pass. Apple season will start 10 days before this time in Himachal Pradesh. The apple season in Himachal Pradesh is going to start 10 days earlier this time. The apple trees are beginning to flower prematurely. Due to this, in many areas, apple orchards are apprehensive of damage to the crop. Premature pink buds have started coming up in the low-lying area of Shimla, Kullu and Mandi district of state. National skiing competition to be held in Asia's second highest ski slope from March 26. The National Championship of Skiing and Snowboarding will begin on Asia's second highest grand ski slopes near Koksar from 26 to 28 March from the first time. Lahore Spiti Administration and Himachal Pradesh Winter Games Association have started preparing for it. Army and ITBP players from 7 states will also participate in the competition. Technical Education Minister Dr. Ramlal Mankhanda said that the government is serious about promoting winter sports. Rescue post to be set up on Jorang Mani Mahesh track. Relief for devotees crossing Kaguti Pass. The fear of the Kaguti Pass, 16,600 feet on the Jorang Mani Mahesh track connecting Lahore and Chamba district will no longer haunt devotees. The Lahore Spiti administration will establish a rescue post for the first time on this track. This will provide a big relief to the people travelling from here. However, travelling on a 4-day exhausted track is risky. Nomination for election in 4 municipal corporations of Himachal from today. Voting on April 7. In Himachal Pradesh, candidates will be able to fill their nomination papers from March 22 to 24 for election to head posts in urban bodies and 3 blocks. For the first time, elections for municipal corporations will be held on the party symbol. Voting will be held on April 7 from 8 am to 4 pm. After the voting, the counting of votes will be started and then the election results will be declared. Electronic voting machines will be used in urban bodies elections and ballot papers will be used in these elections. HS topper Amit Kalathek has said, will reduce the distance between officer and common man. The State Public Service Commission has declared the result of Himachal Pradesh Administrative Services Combined Entrance Exam 2019. Amit of Bodhana village in Shimla district, Chaupal, who has topped the HS exam, said that to achieve the goal, continue the hard work and do not let the efforts fall. In going to the administrative services, efforts will be made to reduce the distance between the administration and the common man, so that the benefit of the government's welfare scheme reaches the common needy. The guards who saved democracy got the honor after 45 years. The Himachal Pradesh government on Sunday honored 81 democracy guards. Democracy during the emergency imposed in the country 45 years ago at the guard event held at Hotel Peterhof on Sunday. On this occasion, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said that emergency is an important part of independent India. Accused of cheating in the JOIT exam, Commission asked for report. In the examination conducted on Sunday by the Junior Office Assistant IT of Himachal Pradesh Staff Service Commission, 3 candidates in the center set up at Mahadev Senior Secondary School in Sundarnagar accused a young woman of cheating. He also accused on the teachers present at the center to support the girl. Candidates say that during examination, a girl went to drink water in hole number 2. When she returned, a paper was kept in her question paper. Subramanyam Swamy raised questions on appointment of non-Hindus in Jwalamukhi temple. Even 1000 DC Kangra has moved both after a protest against the appointment of 2 non-Hindu officials posted at Shakti Peeth Jwalamukhi in Kangra district. The state on social media after a tweet by senior BJP leader Subramanyam Swamy. On Sunday, the Jairam government has come under target. Swamy has raised questions about his own government on the appointment of non-Hindu by tweeting. BJP and Congress released list of candidates. The BJP has released the list of candidates for the municipal elections. Names of the candidates for 17 wards of Municipal Corporation Dharamshala, 15 wards of Municipal Corporation Mandi, 15 wards of Municipal Corporation Palampur, and 17 wards of Municipal Corporation Solan have been decided. The first list of the names of 55 of the 64 Congress candidates for the elections to the 4 municipal corporations of Himachal Pradesh has been released on Sunday evening. The names of party candidates have been announced in all the 15 wards of Mandi Municipal Corporation. The second list of the party candidates will out on Monday. After getting approval from the state high command, the list of the candidates for the municipal corporation elections has been released. Anganwadi workers will agitate across the state from 11 to 30 May. At the state committee meeting of Anganwadi workers and helpers union affiliated to C2, there was a discussion on Sunday for the appointment of Anganwadi workers in pre-primary classes and other demands. It was decided that there will be agitation across the state on the demand. From 11 to 30 May at Mandi, Jogendranagar, Sarkaghat, Dharamshala, Palampur, Dehra, Shimla, Rampur, Rohdu, Thiog, Arki, Nalagarh, Panchad, Sangra, Shilai, Ponta Sahib, Nahan, Chamba, Hamirpur, Banjar, Bilaspur and Una. There will be demonstrations for their demands. This budget session will be memorable for many reasons in the Corona era. The budget session of the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly this time during the Corona period will be memorable for many reasons. The day before, the governor stopped the ruckus and the leader was suspended from the opposition. CM Jairam Thakur again took recourse to the crutches and economic troubles of the centre this time. The fourth budget session of the Jairam government's tenure ended on Saturday. PhD holders' principals will have to go under investigation. The PhD degree is now screwed in examination the educational qualifications of private college principals. College principals have sent to records of their educational qualifications to the Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commission. In this, most college principals have PhD degree in their qualification. The committee investigating the case has asked the principals when they have done their PhD and asked the verification certificate. The desire to leave the bank manager job and do something better made Kulwant Singh a HAS. He did his post-graduation from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. After this, he served as a manager at UCO Bank for 6 years. He says that in 2019, the desire to leave the bank job and do something better which came in his mind, and he started preparing for competitive exams at home. Studied for 6 to 8 hours daily. Kulwant says that he wanted to serve the people. Kulwant says that he wanted to serve the people by becoming an administrative services. Kulwant says that he wanted to serve the people by becoming an administrative officer. He said that he will do public service with He also said that he will do public service with simplicity. Only 4 former councillors got tickets in Dharamshala. In the initiative of allotment of tickets to the ruling party BJP in the municipal corporation elections, the Congress has thrown out. Elections are being held in Dharamshala for the second time. The Congress has come into the list with a lot of new faces including some former councillors, which the Congress has not been able to finalize tickets on the two wards. ABVP will agitate against university administrative and government. The ABVP has once again announced to open a front against the state government. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Himachal Pradesh says that the answer book evaluation process of the university has been in the circle of questions many times before, and this time thousands of students of the state are given 0 marks in many subjects in PG classes by the university administration. That's all in today's news. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Diary Times.